This is the Gerber US-1. This classically designed pocket knife builds off our long history of iconic folding knives. The glass-filled nylon handle makes it thin and lightweight. The textured rubber overmold and prominent finger choil ensure solid grip. The 2.5-inch fine edge 420HC steel blade easily opens using the finely machined nail nick. Versatile, tough, and made in the USA, this is the Gerber US-1.
Today at CRKT, we are taking a look at the Naiad folding climbing knife designed by a man named Hans Florine. Now, Hans is the world record speed climber for a route in Yosemite called the Nose. He climbed it in 2 hours, 23 minutes. That's 2,900 vertical feet. Here's a guy who knows how to climb well, and he knows how to design a knife that's going to get you there. The Naiad, designed specifically as a climbing knife, it weighs 0.6 ounces. The overall length on it is right at 4 inches. The blade length is 1.5 inches. You can see it's got VEF flat top serrations there, a Tanto tip. The handle is titanium, 6AL4V titanium. It's got a frame lock on there. So to close the knife, just take your thumb, push over, and it closes just like that. Good strong detent. Now this blade also sits flush right against that titanium, so it's not going to cut you when it's closed. Another feature there too is it has this carabiner loop right here, carabiner hole. You just take a carabiner and clip that right on there, and then this knife will not open until you pull that carabiner off.
This is the Schrade SCHA3BS assisted opening knife. Housed in a stout ergonomic weight-reducing aluminum handle, the 2.9-inch 4034 stainless steel Tanto blade is deployed by sliding the safety lock to the open position and rotating the finger actuator on the spine side of the handle. The rapid release spring assist can also be activated with one hand by utilizing the ambidextrous thumb stud on the spine of the blade. The blacked out Tanto blade converges to form a narrow point that is well suited for everyday carry and tactical situations where additional piercing capabilities are needed. Versatility is increased through the added cutting power of the partially serrated edge. The blade is stored in a handle by sliding the liner lock to the side with one hand and carefully closing the blade into the handle with the other. A rubberized handle insert on both sides increases grip, and a durable, heavy-duty pocket clip keeps the SCHA3BS in place and ready for rapid deployment with one hand.
Today at CRKT, we're taking a look at the sleek and simple Pilar. It's an everyday carry pocket knife that those with a well-trained eye can tell this is a Jesper Voxnäs design. He's always wanted to keep things simple, yet interesting. The unique blade shape of the Pilar is great for a wide range of slicing, cutting, and moderate chopping tasks. Overall, this knife measures in at just under 6 inches. The blade is about 2.4 inches long, and this is a compact knife that's lightweight. The weight is about 4.2 ounces, and that's 119 grams. This modified Wharncliffe blade style is complete with a satin finish that complements the overall design of the knife well. It also has a large, comfortable finger choil at the base of the blade to give you maximum cutting control. The frame lock keeps the blade lockup solid and safe when open, and the thumb slot here on the blade makes it super easy when opening and closing. The stainless steel handle has an attractive bead blast finish, and it feels really solid in hand. A reversible clip on the handle side makes for a low-profile tip-up or tip-down carry.